Hey guys, Sid here, and in this one I'm gonna talk about Apple's new privacy updates, AirPods, HomePod, CarPlay, and Siri. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about the privacy updates. The new iOS 13, about which I talked in the previous video, which I have linked to here and in the descriptions. If you haven't seen it yet, do have a watch. So now coming back to the topic, iOS 13 now has options for you to allow location access once, and also if you allow it always, it will show background tracking alerts. Also, iOS protects from location access workarounds using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You can also now log into apps more securely and privately using the new Sign In with Apple option, which can be added to any app by the developers using a simple API. What this allows is the user to sign in using either their own iCloud account email ID or hide it and give the app a random email ID. This random email ID allows us to get mails and from the app, as Apple sends auto forward from those mails to your real iCloud account, while the app having only the random email. Also, random email created for each app is unique, and therefore it is possible to stop auto forwarding from one app alone if we don't want mail from that app anymore. Also, while signing in, users can use Face ID to authenticate. This is very awesome feature, as the app only gets your email and no other information. Also, if it needs other details like maybe name, it can request for that and the user can enter it. Unlike when signing in using Facebook or Google, where all profile information can be accessed by the app. This feature is available across all Apple products and also on the web, and I love this feature because this helps to keep our privacy more. Now moving on into the home. HomeKit Secure Video now analyzes the images in the iPad, HomePod or Apple TV that is always present in the house and encrypts it and sends it to the iCloud, from where only the user can access it and not even Apple. There is a 10-day recording storage without it counting against the iCloud storage limit. Also, HomeKit enabled routers now with firewalls and HomeKit devices, so even if one is compromised, the others won't be affected because each has a separate firewall. Next up is updates to Apple AirPods. Now Siri can read incoming messages to you and you can reply to them instantly. This is available for native messages apps as well as third-party apps that use Siri Kit. Also, there is an audio sharing feature that allows you to share audio from one device to more than one AirPods. So now you can watch a movie with your friend with AirPods on their or your iPhone, similar to like you used to do using wired headsets using a headphone splitter. Next up, we have the HomePod updates. To the HomePod, there is a new handoff feature that enables you to change the audio playback from the iPhone to the HomePod by bringing the iPhone close to the HomePod and vice versa. The HomePod now supports 1 lakh radio stations that are live, and this is from all around the world. It also has personalized responses and functions based on the voice it learns, similar to the function that is available on Google Assistant. Now moving into the car, we have the CarPlay getting a new dashboard with navigation as the main focus. Then on the side we have other apps, and on the right side, almost as big as the navigation, we have space for estimated time of arrival, audio control and Siri Smart Suggestions. The calendar app has a whole day view. Music app now displays album art in front, and Siri is also out of the way and is only activated when called out. CarPlay now supports Pandora and Waze as well. These are very good updates because navigation should always be the main important aspect in terms of vehicle, and having album art in front also helps as you can choose music easily. Siri got a few updates as well. Now there is a built-in Siri Shortcuts app in iOS 13 that gives us access to all the shortcuts in one place. Also, there is a suggested automation feature that takes our habits or tasks that we do every day and suggests to automate it. There is also neural text-to-speech feature which makes Siri speech more natural and with proper emphasis. Next up, we have iPad OS, about which I will be talking in the next video. So, if you dislike the video, you know where the button is, but if you liked it, do hit the like button. Check out similar content here, and in the descriptions. And while you're down there, do leave your feedback in the comment section. And if you're new here, subscribe by hitting the big red button below and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon next to it so that you don't miss this great content. Until next time, peace.